Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp not working issue in your Android phone or on your iPhone. So you see now I have WhatsApp. Maybe you are opening a WhatsApp and you get this error. So if you are getting this error in your WhatsApp why it is not working, I'm going to show you how you can be fixing this issue in your WhatsApp or your Android phone so that can be working well as you want to be using it. If you did not subscribe to this channel Nomax TV, please subscribe today, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Nomax TV. So what do you have to do if you want to fix your WhatsApp issue? So you have to come here and go to settings of your Android phone. Also you go to setting of your Android phone. Now you click here. So you see now this is my setting of my Android phone. So now after clicking here, so I open. So yes, I open these settings. Now after opening these settings, you can see I go to various options in my WhatsApp. So in my phone I can go here and scroll down. So once I scroll down, I can go, you see I see various options including SIM card and mobile network. You see I have Wi-Fi. You see I can be having various options, and what I have to do is to be clicking here on Apple management. So you see now I have this option which is going to be helping me to manage all applications I have in my Android phone. So what I have to do is to click here on app management. So once I click on map management, you can see I get also to various details. You can see I get to app management, I can default apps, I go to app settings, I get to permission manager. You can see I have special app access. You can see I have screen time, I have app launch. So what I have to do now is to click here now this option of app settings, this app settings. So if I click on these Apple settings, you can see now I click in these Apple settings. When I click Apple settings, you can see I have various applications in my Android phone, and I have to choose which application I have to be managing to make sure that is going to be working well in my Android phone. So what I to do now is to make sure that I choose WhatsApp, which is the one I want to be choosing. I can type there and search for WhatsApp. As you see, I can see various WhatsApp that I have that I'm using my phone, and I can choose which one I want to be also managing and which one is not working in my phone. What I have to choose now, let me choose this second one. And making sure that I'm going to be adjusting some features on this second WhatsApp. So if I click here, I can say have notifications is off, which means I cannot be able to get notifications. You can see I have permissions also, camera, contacts, microphones. When I click there, you can see I can be getting also which one is allowed. You see a camera, contact, microphone, storage is allowed. So call locks, everything is also permitted to be used in my phone. And so when I come back here, I can go here to storage and cache. So when I come to storage and cache, also you see is where I'm going to be fixing my issue, and you can be getting to fix your issue here in storage and cache. Now how to fix this issue now? What you need to do here is to make sure that you see I have storage and cache, and what you can see I have now, I have a cache of 37.33 MB. I have a total of 1.98 GB, and I have Apple size which is 93. And when you go to user data, you can see I have the information which are being used on my WhatsApp, which I will go to now 1.85 GB. So you see which is to large space which is occupying my phone. So I don't have to clear storage, because if I clear storage in my phone, I'm going to be losing all the information I'm having in my phone. Also, what I have to do is to click here. I come here to now on here at the bottom left, and I clear now this cache. When I clear this cache, I want to see now this cache getting removed there. So you see now I clear the cache here. and I see now I have 0 bytes, which means there is no cache which is remaining there on my WhatsApp. And also I can come back also to another WhatsApp. Now you see these are permissions, and I can come here. After doing that, I can come here to another WhatsApp. So I click here on this WhatsApp. So I have to do the same procedure as that one which I'm going to be using. Let me do it to this WhatsApp again to make sure that is working. Also see the same. What I have to do is to make sure that I clear also caches, and I come here to storage again as I did. Now after coming to this cache, I have to clear now cache. I don't clear storage because you see I have 30.23 MB as cache, which means they're occupying my phone. They also stress my WhatsApp to be used in my phone. So what I have to do is to clear this cache at the bottom right so that they can get removed from my WhatsApp and I can get started using this. So let me now clear this cache, and you can see now it gets removed. I have 0 bytes on my phone, so which means now WhatsApp is functioning well. You can see now after going back, I open my WhatsApp now. So you are going to be using a WhatsApp way, and this WhatsApp not responding error is going to be resolved. You can also be solving this issue, and you can start also using your WhatsApp again as you have also set that up and as you have planned to be using it in your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, Normus TV, subscribe to this channel today. Like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn on the button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Nomax TV. If you have any question or suggestion, so don't forget to leave it in notification option so that you can get in touch with you and be able to facilitate you to get more explanations about the education videos we are providing about tech related content. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.